My name is Sarah Quade. I'm a preschool music and movement teacher. I stumbled onto Lynn's online training just before I began the position, and it gave me all the tools I needed to go into work every day with joy in my heart, share that with the children, and go home every afternoon and spend hours poring over all her materials, all her videos. I knew exactly how to do it. It was true to life. It gave me all the tools I needed for classroom management, for singing, for sharing live music through ukulele and sopranino with the children. And I couldn't wait to come here and experience it live in person with Lynn herself at her teacher training this year.